Brand: Volkswagen. Series: ID.4 Crozz. Manufacturer: Volkswagen. Model: 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 Crozz BEV 84.8 kWh. Class: Compact SUV. Fuel type: BEV. Frame structure: Unibody. Body structure: SUV. Doors: 5. Seats: 5. Body type: 5 doors 5 seats SUV. Top speed: km/h 160. Fast charge time: h. 0.67. Slow charge time: h. 12.5. Battery type: ternary lithium battery, NCM. Battery capacity, kWh. 84.8. Electricity consumption, kWh, 100 km. 14.3. Fast charge percentage, %, 80. Battery cell brand: Time 4 Power. Fast charging function, supported. Battery energy density, watt-hour per kilogram, 175. CLTC range, kilometer, 600. Battery cooling method: liquid cooling. Battery swapping, not supported. Fast charge percentage, %, 80. Equivalent fuel consumption of electricity, L, 100 km. 1.62. CLTC range, kilometer, 600. Fast charging power, 100. Air condition control, automatic. Interior rearview mirror function, auto dim. Multimedia, charging interface. USB, Type-C. USB, Type-C interface quantity. Front 3, rear 2. Ambient light, 30 colors. Mobile wireless charging, front. Heat pump air conditioning. Hollow circle. Key type: remote key. Keyless entry. Front seats. Voice wake-up recognition in specific areas. 2 areas. Length, mm, 4592. Width, mm, 1852. Height, mm, 1629. Body wheelbase, mm, 2765. Dimension, 4592*1852*1629. Approach angle, degree, 18. Departure angle, degree. Front, rear power windows. Front, rear. Exterior rearview mirror function. Electric adjustment. Electric folding. Memory. Heating. Auto tilt. Auto folding. One touch window control. All positions. Vanity mirrors. Driver seat plus light. Passenger seat plus light. Rain sensing wipers. Rain sensing. Heatable spray nozzles. Hollow circle. Sunroof type: hollow circle openable panoramic sunroof. Filled circle fixed panoramic sunroof. Door opening style: front hinged doors. Drive mode: rear engine, rear wheel drive. Driving mode switch: sport, eco, standard, comfort. Front, rear parking radar. Front, rear. Drive assistance image: 360-degree surround view. Number of cameras: 5. Number of ultrasonic radars: 12. Number of millimeter wave radars: 3. Cruise control system: full speed range adaptive cruise control. Advanced driving assistance level, L2. R HUD, hollow circle. Advanced driver assistance system, IQ. Drive, driver, passenger airbags. Driver seat, passenger seat. Front, rear side airbags. Front, rear head airbags, curtain. Front, rear. Tire pressure monitoring, low pressure warning, seatbelt reminder. All seats.